Dear student, today we will see thermal expansion and how many kinds of thermal expansion. First, we see what is thermal expansion. When we heat the solid, it is found to expand. It is called thermal expansion. The thermal expansion of solid is of three types, namely number one, linear expansion, number two, superficial expansion, number three, cubical expansion. In all expansion, the increase in dimension is proportional to the original dimension and the rise in temperature. Solid are made up of atoms and molecules. At a given temperature, the atoms and molecules are located at some equilibrium distance. When heat is added to a solid, the amplitude of the vibration of the atom and molecules increases. Due to this, the effective interatomic separation between them is increases, which results in the expansion of solids. The first one, linear expansion. Let a solid is in the form of a rod of length L, is heated till its temperature rise through del T. If the length of the rod becomes L dash, then it is found that increase in length is number one, directly proportional to original length, that is L dash minus L proportional to L. It is our equation 1. Second one, directly proportional to rise in temperature of the rod, that is L dash minus L proportional to del T. It is our equation 2. From equation 1 and 2, we can write L dash minus L proportional to L into del T. This implies that L dash minus L equal to alpha L into del T. Here alpha is the proportionality constant, or L dash equal to L plus alpha into L into del T. or we can write L dash equal to, taking L as a common in the above equation, we can write L dash equal to L into under bracket 1 plus alpha into del T. It is our equation third. The proportionality constant alpha is called coefficient of linear expansion. Its value depends upon the nature of the material. The coefficient of linear expansion of the material of a solid rod is defined as the change in the length per unit length per unit change in its temperature. Its SI unit is per Kelvin. The value of alpha for most of the solid found to be between 10 to the power minus 6 per Kelvin to 10 to the power minus 5 per Kelvin. Its value is found to be more for ionic solid than that for the non-ionic solid. The value of coefficient of linear expansion of a solid rod does not depend upon the shape of the cross section of the rod. Similarly, you can explain about the superficial expansion and cubical expansion. The second one is superficial expansion. If S is the initial surface area and S dash is the surface area of solid when the temperature changes del T, then we know that the change in area is directly proportional to the original area of the body. So we can write S dash minus S proportional to S, and also S dash minus S proportional to del T. That means change in configuration is directly proportional to the rise in temperature. Or we can write S dash minus S proportional to S into del T, or S dash minus S equal to beta into S into del T. Here beta is the proportionality constant. Or we can write S dash equal to S plus beta into S into del T. Taking S as a common in this equation, we got S dash equal to S into under bracket 1 plus beta into del T. It is our equation 1. Here beta is called coefficient of superficial expansion. The coefficient of superficial expansion is defined as the change in surface area per unit surface area per unit change in its temperature. its SI unit is per Kelvin. Similar to above two expansion, we can explain also third one, cubical expansion. If V is the initial volume and V dash the volume of the solid when temperature changes by del T, then V dash minus V proportional to V and V dash minus V proportional to del T. Or V dash minus V proportional to V into del T, or V dash minus V equal to gamma into V into del T. Here gamma is the proportionality constant. This implies that V dash equal to V plus gamma into V into del T, or V dash equal to V into under bracket 1 plus gamma into del T. If we took V as a common in the above equation, here gamma is called coefficient of cubical or volumetric expansion. The coefficient of cubical expansion is defined as the change in volume per unit change in its temperature. Its SI unit is per Kelvin. It's all for today.